In a striking declaration amidst national and international scrutiny, Emmerson Mnangagwa asserted that Zimbabwe stands unified and at a peace despite mounting accusations of harassment and suppression of opposition voices. Sabira mashuka talk on ED Mnangagwa not subscribe or like button on the bell icon. Tuna the news addressing the 378th ordinary session of the Politburo. The ZANU-PF leader sought to affirm his administration's commitment to national cohesion and progress, even as critics question the sincerity of his claims. We are one and we stand undivided. There is peace in Zimbabwe. We are addressing discrepancies of the past. Mnangagwa proclaimed encapsulation the essence of his address that blended a message of unity with the rebuttal against allegations of political persecution. The assertion comes at a pivotal moment for Zimbabwe, a nation grappling with the complex political landscape and socio-economic challenges. Thomas Wantagona Idi Mnangagwa chita aiwa nyika yedu yeZimbabwe icharamba ine unity iri at peace. But vanotora mashoko awa tichiona kuti aiwa tirikuona kuti vanotika political prisoners vakomana vari kukepcha vachinosungiwa, economy iri kudonha, iri kusega, iri kuenda down. Zviri kushamisa vanhu kuti mashoko anotabva muPolitburo achinzi aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe remain at peace and at unity hazvisi kuenderana. Zvinotidzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pemashoko ataurwa nemutungamiri wenyika. Pinda kucomment section medu, subscribe, kulike, turn on the bell icon.